Maazị Mozeke na-eme n'ụbọchị nke taata asị m ruo makpụ anyị n'ụbọchị nke taata biko ihe nwoke na-eme ihe nwaanyị na-eme asị m agara anyị aga dịlu nwoke mma dịlu ọha na eze mma dịlu nwaanyị mma ya dịkwanụ na ụmụazị mma asị na ụmụazị bụ future of the generation ngwanụnụ ọ video na-trend online bụ Enugu State Presidential Villa Hotel emere abandon kemgbe 1900 emecha ego ndị a spendịrị ebe a ka nsị ndị mmadụ si eme ihe abandon ọ dịzị aka ya sị na ego nwanne na-atọ ụtụ ya na aja ihe ndị mmadụ megoro na Naịjirịa anụnwa Nwachukwu nna ya ekpe o. Abandon hotel, abandon presidential villa street, na-anụ abandon at this stage ọ dị abandon elebi ha ayịla more than $1 million elebi ya ayịla more than $1 million biko solokere m na-enekene anya bụ ihe kwunu ụfụ.
Gentlemen and ladies, today I present to you Enugu State Presidential Hotel. So I'm going to take you around so that you see the current state of Enugu State Presidential Hotel. Let's go there. Before I take you in, this is how Hotel Presidential Enugu used to look like. Used to be a 5-star hotel, and this is the drone view of this wonderful, beautiful hotel, Hotel Presidential Enugu. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a presidential hotel, and this is the current look of presidential hotel and how it's looking like now. So I wish they will permit me to move around, which I think they will, so that I'll show you the current state of presidential hotel Enugu and then how it's looking like now. Before I take you inside the hotel, let me take you to the swimming pool first. So from here now, you are going toward the pool side, and it's quite a very big pool. Very big pool. So we're going to the pool. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're still going to the pool side. It's quite a very big, massive swimming pool, and this is just the environment. If you go straight, you still see another area where they do their volleyball and then long tennis. Now this is the pool side. Hotel Presidential Enugu had Olympic standard swimming pool, very big and massive swimming pool. I forgot to get the measurement. Now from there, from the swimming pool, we're going inside the hotel itself. So we're going to enter the hotel from the back side, but I will still show you the front view of the hotel. And then actually I thought that this is the first floor, but this it's an underground floor, not even the first floor, because I thought that I will see the reception here. This is just the underground floor, and then kind of people are using it to shoot movie skits and then drama, and then maybe I can see here maybe they used it for policing, and then maybe something. Yeah, this is the ground floor, the underground floor. So but from here I will now take you to the front. This is the front view. If you are passing through that presidential road, this is the front view of Presidential Hotel Enugu. Quite big hotel. So from there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take you inside for you to see things yourself. Let's go there. So we're climbing the staircase at this moment, and then I met this young man, very nice. He seems to know much about the environment, so he took us upstairs to see the first floor. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the first floor of this wonderful edifice, Presidential Hotel. So I'm now going to show you the reception. This is the reception by my right. This is the reception. This was supposed to be the reception of this wonderful hotel. So from this reception, let me take you up, still the front view. Let me take you up to, because there's a particular view I would like you to see. This is a side step that we used to climb to the second floor. Then I will also show you rooms, their kitchen where they used to cook, and then there's a mini bar here, or supposed to be. Okay, these are rooms, demarcations of room. Yeah, these are the hotel rooms. Whoa! Here na like kitchen. Here no go be rooms. Okay. Hi, where be this? But why it be like this now?
See this place now, very dangerous.
I'm still trying to understand waiting here be that they use them for. So we are going upstairs to the last floor. Then from the last floor, I want to take you people to the. It has a very beautiful view from the rooftop. So we are taking. We should be on the third floor at this moment. The fourth floor, sorry. This is the fourth floor. So we are heading to the rooftop. This is the last floor. So from this last floor, here is the rooftop of Hotel Presidential Enugu on, and it's such a beautiful place. Just imagine this wonderful view from the rooftop. So at this moment, I was thinking that this is another swimming pool. Actually, it's not a swimming pool. It's just water. Miri doruna enu the roof actually. So let me find a way to cross over and then get you a better view. This hotel is a Burnt Sunshine hotel. So from the rooftop, you can see Burnt Sunshine. Then let me see if I can be able to pass here. So kita kan none check the media or the deep actually I chofta no draw deep. So I decided to cross over to the other side so that I can get a better view. Just that my camera guy then I'm going over to the other side, the middle of the roof, and then from here you can see the whole of Enugu. Enugu is such a beautiful city, So from here now, you can see both New Haven, some part of Ababa 82 Division, then Ogui Junction, Ogui Road, Old Park, Holy Ghost. From here you can see them. So please, government should do something about this wonderful, beautiful piece of work. Not here. Let's not just abandon it like this. This place can create job. It will give so many people job because it has so many rooms and so many departments, both the laundry department, security department, laundry department, gardeners, technicians, porters, room service, waiters, waitress, and other departments that will at least create job for at least not less than 500 persons. So please, government should do something about this particular place. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, na mo kere hene jeli boys na ono no sino cha video biko nye kwana na ya kana subscribe na disa ko na yo na wetelu no ozi di oke mpa na channel la yo bona gbasali ba yo na wetelu unu biko no onye na cha video subscribe na disa channel bu notification gi ina weta notification bo bona ITV video fun ke kacha zamba biko drop your comment na the comment section, like ya this post, share ya ko onye ozo we fukwa ihe na funa fele mbo wa no bosi nketa ta se no adelu nwoke mma delu nwanyị mma igbe kene mo kere hene mele Igbo ihe.